Hello friends, welcome to your channel Stock Dr. RR. Some time back I have uploaded video on index for this week. Let's talk about some of the stocks which you asked me to analyze. So this is the stock list which I have analyzed, and I want to keep this video small. So I am just going to give the levels. I mean, currently where is the support for this stock, and currently where is the resistance, so that it will help all of us to understand and take informed decisions, right? So let's talk about the AAL, American Airlines. American Airlines, it has this long-term support, right, on this trend line. Currently, it is at its support at 24. If it breaks this support, then it can go down towards 22. If it breaks this resistance at 25, then it can go towards the next resistance at 26. And if it trade and close above 26, then it will give us more upside. So the ideal buy is about $25. The next stock is Apple. For Apple, this is the trend line support, and currently Apple is trading near 126. So to me it looks like Apple is good to buy above 126.5 for the target of 132. Once it start trading above 132.5, then it can definitely going to go towards 137 and 142, right? The stock has good support around 118. The next stock we have is AMD. For AMD, it looks like 78.5 is a good support it has, and currently it is trying to go toward its resistance at 83. If it start trading above 83, then high probability that it can go towards 87 and above. The next stock we have is ChargePoint Holding. For this stock, I can see here it is trying to break the long-term resistance, and the first target it will be having toward 30, and the second target would be around 32.5. And once it start closing about 32.5, then it is going to give the higher targets around 36 and $40. The support for this stock would be around 25. Okay, so and it has its earning on 7th of June, it looks like. The next stock we have is CRWD. CRWD tried to break this trend line resistance, right? And it went toward its first target of 126. But after that, it reversed from there. And now it is near its support at 208. If it don't hold that support, then it might go towards 193. So there is a good buying opportunity if it comes towards 193 to 95 level for this upswing. Now, if it now if it reverts from this 208, right, and start trading like this, then definitely it will give the buying opportunity for the target of 126, sorry, 226, 230, and 237. So there will be two buying opportunities if it take U-turn from here, or if it comes here and take a U-turn from here. Then the next stock we have is DBX. Let's clear all the drawing. So DBX is trying to complete its rounding bottom pattern. Okay, So let me show you. This is the rounding bottom. It is trying to finish this rounding bottom that is coming around $32. So for dbx, there is high probability that it can go towards $32, but for that it needs to stay above $28. If it stays above $28, then first target is 29.5 and the second target is 32. After dbx, we have the next stock as futu. For the futu holdings, right? For this, you can see here the okay. So it is in this wedge pattern, right? And we all know that if it breaks this wedge pattern, then it is going to go higher. So the breakout is near around 159. So if it trades and stay above 159, then it can go towards 170 and 179. So, and it has two supports formed at 150 and 140. The next stock we have here is GLD. GLD is nothing but SPDR Gold Trust. So here I can see it is in this channel right now. So if it comes toward 173 to 175 levels, then it can be a good buy opportunity with the stop loss of 170 for the target of 180. If it starts trading above 180, then also it is a buying opportunity for the target of 183 and above. The next is HIMX. Currently, it is facing the trend line resistance. Once it starts trading above $14, then it will go towards $15 and $16. These are the targets. And the stop loss is coming around 12.5. The next stock we have is JMIA. So for jmia, it has broke the trend line resistance, right, with small candles. And uh, to me, it looks like if it stays above $32, then it can go towards $35, $40. And if it stays above that, then $48, right? It has supports around 29 and 26. Next stock is LZR. For LZR, Lumino Technologies, it has created a good setup here. Once it starts trading about above 25.5 and sustain with good volumes there, then it can go towards $30. And if it starts trading above $30, then it can go towards $35. Now, if once it starts trading about 25.5, and if we take a position, then we need to keep a stop loss near around $19 on the closing basis. The next stock is mvis. Chart is not that what I can say. It has these swings there. So to me, it looks like 20 this $19 is holding as a good support here. Unless and until the $19 is not breaking, this can try to go towards $22 again. And if it stays above that, then it can go towards 24, and then it will try to go towards all-time high of 27. Next stock is Neo. So neo is trying to break this channel. Okay, it has broken this channel and now it's trading there. So it has high probability to go towards the first target of 46. And remember guys, if it trades and stay above this price range, right, 46 and 47, then it is trying to break this long term resistance and it can go towards 50 and 54. All right, and it has a good support formed at 39 will be the first support and 36 is the second support. Next stock is nnox. So nnox, you can see here, it is trading in this small channel here, right? Now it it can go, it might try to break. If it try to break this resistance, then it can go towards 36 and then 43. So watch for this level, and it has a good first support at 26 and second is at 23.5. Next stock we have is nvda. So guys, nvda ran like crazily from here, from 540 to 703. It went uh, like so fast. So it has break this trend line resistance around this level 768, and now it is trying to go towards 720. But currently it is kind of expensive stock for me. If it comes down towards 670 to 678 levels, then there can be one buying opportunity for this target of 720 like this. And support it it support it has around 650. The first support it is having around 650. The next stock we have is pgny. For pgny, you can see it has broken this trend line, uh, this channel, and it broke that channel and again came down. Now it has support at 61. If somebody is holding this stock, then they can hold with the stop loss of 61 on the closing basis. And it if once it breaks above 64, then it can go much higher from there. The next stock we have here is pltr. So next stock we have here is pltr. Sorry. So for this is the pltr. For pltr, if you see here, once it start trading and close above 25.5, then it can go towards $29. Yeah. If it start trading about 25.5, then it can go towards $29, and it has a good support around 22.5. Next stock we have as a SAVA. See, for sava, if somebody is holding this stock, then there is a one resistance at 66. Once it starts, once it gets succeeded to trade above 66, then it can go towards 73 and 80. Next stock we have is sklz. So sklz has this setup form. So right now I cannot see any buying opportunity, but yes, uh, If it starts trading about 21.5, then it can go towards 23.5, 26.5, and 29.5. And the stop loss for this trade would be around $20. The next stock is all its favorite of all of us, and that is Tesla. So, as I told you guys last time also, Tesla has a very good support formed between 520 to 550. If this stocks comes around 500 and you can say 60 to 50 levels, then there can be one buying opportunity. Okay, and it can go towards the first target of 650 and the second target of 700. But we need to be patient after buying this stock, right? So this is the support area. Below 520, if this stock starts trading, then it can go down. But right now, the setup tells me that the stock is at good buying opportunity. So one can buy some stocks now and some on the dip till 560 to 550 for the target of 650 and 700. Next stock we have is you. So this is Unity software. For this, I can see here uh, now the buying for us, the buying level will be around $100. If it starts trading near $100, then it can go towards 106, 113, and 119, right? And the stop loss would be around 86. The next stock we have is WKH, WKHS workforce. So this is kind of you can say short squeeze stock looks like. Uh, there was a breakout at $10 and it went till $18, but it managed to close at $14 and currently is at $13. So at this point of time, I can see that it is having $9 as a good support, right? And as it's a momentum stock, we need to understand the risk associated with it. But either there would be a good buying if it comes near $10, then that is a good buy price. Else, if it starts trading above 14.5, then it can go towards $16 and $20. The next stock we have is here is XPEV. For the XPEV, you can see there was a straight rally from $23 to $37. It has break the long-term trend line resistance here, right? And the stock is showing good price action. So it can go towards $40. And if it stays above $40, then it can go towards $43. Right? I can see the good support around 33.5. All right, guys. So I try to make this video short and sweet. Okay. And I hope you guys like this video. You can, comment how you what you think about this video. You can share it with your friends and you can subscribe to this channel. All these talks are analyzed based on your request, so please take care of your position with help of having your due diligence and take a good decision before doing any investment in these stocks. All right, thank you guys, all the best.